And do you know what I will use this to make? I will use this to make a long wrap dress that has this bit on the bottom, or a short skirt that is gathered and has this at the bottom. This would look so pretty. This print is so good, it's so nice, and the quality is really good as well. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Priscilla. I am a women's wear designer based in London, and this video is one that I am so excited to film. I'm going to be talking about the new fabrics that I've just dropped on the Kim Dave website. As we speak, they are ready to shop, and I swear the fabrics are so good that there's some I'm like, should I just keep this one? Nobody will notice, right? This is so cute. Like, all 25 prints are sourced from Nigeria by my amazing younger sister who is based there, and I'm just going to be showing some of my favorites to you guys, talking about the price points as well as the NGO I'm going to be supporting this time around, because I just believe life is too short to leave it so selfishly. So if you guys would like to find out more about the fabrics, more about the shop, then keep on watching. I would like to start out firstly to thank everyone that actually went and bought something from the spring drop. The spring drop happened, I swear, a month ago. It's exactly, I think today till that time I dropped that video is exactly a month. And the fabric sold so quickly. I was literally in shock. I just saw them disappearing from the shop, and I really didn't expect that. So I'm very grateful for everyone that actually spent their coin, even if you didn't buy anything, as long as you visited the website, checked out the products, checked out the NGO, you know, spread the word. I'm really grateful, because it just means I have people who actually sort of love what I do, who love African prints, or who are ready to support my hustle. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. My parents taught me to always say thank you to people who do you good and to people who mean well, and to all 40,000 plus, like, guys, we've actually reached 40,000 subscribers. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, the goodness of God upon my life, I cannot dispute it anymore. To all 40k plus of you, thank you so much for all of the love, all of the support, because I will not be here today if I didn't have such amazing people around me. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys some of my favorite fabrics that are part of this summer drop. The fabrics are very fruity, very colorful. There are some colors that I didn't even know existed in the Ankara print industry, and then I saw them when my sister sort of sent this shipping to me, and I was like, wow, that is a really bright color, and man, thank you for picking that one. So I'm going to be showing my 3 favorites, as well as a bestseller which is coming back to the shop, because I had people who actually messaged me personally to return this exact print, and I'm so glad that it is back. I ended up buying 4 because of how many people actually wanted the fabric. So this particular print has 4 sort of options, or 4 in quantity to buy from. So this is the particular material that I'm speaking about, is this vibrant yellow and blue Ankara print. This is a really popular print. I think it comes in different colorways as well. And do you know what I really like about this fabric, and what I realized later on is actually sort of my Kim Dave brand colors is yellow and blue. And if you've checked sort of my channel art, if you've gone on my Instagram, you notice I really tend to use a lot of yellow, bluish themed materials. So this one is coming back to the shop, and there are 4 of these available to buy. The price is the same, $25.50, and if I were you, I will not wait, because the way you guys shopped the fabrics the last time, I was like, bruh. So now moving on to my favorite prints in this drop. The first has to be this pink Ankara with pineapple print. I saw this print and I was like, can I keep this for myself? I think I'm actually going to tell my sister to buy this print and send it to me, because this would look so cute for a wrap dress, a sundress, any kind of dress that you want to make this summer. And the color would look really nice against a lot of skin tones, because the pink is not too bright and it's not like in your face, and it's like fresh and nice, and it has like yellow and sort of white with brown sort of edges around the pineapple fruit. this print is so good, it's so nice, and the quality is really, really good as well. Favorite print number 2 has to be this orange and teal print. It sort of looks like these are not flowers. It sort of look like optical illusion shapes, and what I really like is the shade of orange. It's sort of like, it's almost as a neon orange, but it's not a neon orange. So it's the kind of material that when you wear, you wouldn't feel like you are just like a stick sticking out of a river or something. Like, it's just enough color to sort of add life to an outfit, but it's not too bright to make you feel awkward when you wear this print. That is what I really like about this color. It comes in 6 yards, the same as the previous 2 that I just showed you. So she bought 2 of this one. There's some other fabrics that have 2. Most of them are just one-offs, but this is one of the ones that came in 2 batches, so 2 6 yards of this print. I love the quality as well. This will look really nice for a pair of trousers, for a jumpsuit, for a long kimono, for a full gathered maxi skirt. This will look really nice for it, and oh, so pretty. So pretty. The last fabric I'm going to be showing you guys is something that is relatively new to the market. I think it's existed for a while, but it's not just as popular as, you know, your typical Ankara print. And it's this Ankara and lace fusion. So it has lace trim along the edge. It has lace embroidered into the Ankara, and the color is sort of like red, yellow, blues. It feels softer than your typical Ankara material, but what I have to say is it has a strong smell, stronger than the typical smell that, you know, Ankara that you get from Nigeria has. That's just what I have to say about this one. This one comes in 6 yards as well. There's just one of this. And do you know what I will use this to make? I will use this to make a long wrap dress that has this bit on the bottom, or a short skirt that is gathered and has this at the bottom. This would look so pretty. In terms of thickness, you might have to line this material if you use it to sew, but it's just gorgeous. Like, oh, the detailing on this lace though, like it even has like gold beads along the edge. It's something that if you're going to buy and use to sew, you have to dry clean your garment, because the lace, the beads, the embroidery, all of that delicate sort of detail in this fabric is something that you have to look after if you work with this material. So shipping is going to be available within the UK, to the US, to Canada, and Europe. I am trying to actually open up more countries, and what I actually do is I take the fabric to the post office or to these courier companies, and I get the exact price that it would cost to ship it to you guys. And because I haven't done that because I know people in India, someone in Hong Kong, someone in Barbados, people across the world have actually asked me, why don't you ship to these countries? And I think what I'm going to do is over the next couple of days, I'm going to sort of like do the research and get back to you guys on what countries I'm adding to the shipping list. I think what I'll do is I would just leave a post on the community page, you know, that sort of page where I can like leave pictures and update and post without having to post a video. I think that's what I would do once I have new countries added to the shipping list for the shop. This time around, I'm also going to be partnering with Stand to End Rape. They were the NGO I worked with last month. They were so graceful and easy to work with. Like, I wrote them emails, they got back to me quickly, they responded promptly. And what I liked that I did that time around was I kept updating them whenever I raised money. So when I raised £20, I'll like tell them, oh, I've raised this amount, because I wanted to be held accountable. Money is like a spirit that if you don't control, it will control you. And I made a promise to myself that I was going to give 10% off the sale of each product to this NGO that was doing an amazing work. I mean, what they do is something that is so beautiful and is so good, because there are women that go through these traumas and don't even have anyone to talk to because of the stigmatization and the shame that comes to that experience. So having something like Stand to End Rape and other amazing NGOs that support women who have gone through domestic violence, not just women but men as well, because when you read some of these stories, and you just be like, what a messed up world we live in. I suggest you go to their website. I'm going to link it down below. Go read some of these stories, how people experience all kinds of crazy things, how they are actually helping out these people that are traumatized. And the amazing fact is that this amazing NGO is led by someone so young, someone so brave, and someone that I really admire. So this time around, I'm going to be giving off 10% of the sale of each product to Stand to End Rape. Last month, I raised £46 for them. I hope this month we can raise over 60. Sorry. I hope this month we can raise over £50, because why not? It's an amazing thing to be able to give back any way that you can. So I'm going to be leaving their websites down below, as well as a link to the shop, so you can go check it out and buy whatever fabrics that you like. So with that all said and done, the shop is open for business. I would actually like to thank my sister. I think every single print she bought this time, I personally love, and that is a very hard thing to achieve, because I'm very, very, specific with the kind of prints that I want to work with. But I remember opening the bag, like the cargo, when it came, and I was like, wow, I would actually use every single print in this batch, and that is such a great thing. She picked amazing choices. I like how she makes sort of fruity prints with sort of geometric ones, with like the ones with optical illusion, color variations that I didn't even know, shades of green that were like weird but unique in a way. So I'm very grateful to my sister. Her name is Laura. She's based in Nigeria with the rest of my family. That girl has such a good brain for business, amazing attention to detail, and it's someone that I know I would always work with in the future, no matter where I am. So sis, I also like to thank my mom, who also contributed to the purchase of this batch. She was like, I'm just going to give you money, buy fabric, and just make this thing work. I would also like to thank my fiance George, who is always helping me behind the scenes, helping me make pictures, helping me shoot videos, helping me edit the pictures. That man is a real blessing to my life, and I thank God every day for giving him to me without having to do any crazy thing. So I'm grateful for the people I have all around me supporting what I do. I'm grateful, and I always pray every morning to be reminded of the fact that where I am today is because of the people I have been blessed with. And I hope that is something that you would remember for yourself, no matter what you do, no matter what stage of life you are at, that it's a real blessing to be able to have people around you who support you, like who honestly support you, not for any sided reason or not for any weird reason, but who honestly support what you do and are always there to help you when the need arises. So I hope you guys will go check out the shop. I hope you like the fabrics. Leave all of your comments, thoughts down below. I'm actually excited to see what you guys would think about the materials, because they are so different. They're like really, really different sort of types this time around. So on to my next video, guys. Keep being creative, innovative, and have a good morning, afternoon, and evening wherever you are. Bye.